So what you do is you open up the Notes app, you create a new note, choose the camera icon, choose Scan Documents. You will then take pictures of your checklist along with all of your homework, along with the accompanying work. You can choose Keep Scan after each photo, if it's a good photo. After you do that, click Save. Then what you want to do is in the upper right hand corner, you want to forward that, and you want to choose maybe email, and you can email it to yourself. Once you email it to yourself, check your mail, and you will have one PDF file of all of the pictures. You can then upload that PDF file to Canvas and the online assignment on Friday.